Dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will create this delightful puff pastry Christmas tree with fruits and nuts following my simple step-by-step recipe. The luscious fruits and nuts spread is layered between sheets of puff pastry, strategically scored and twisted to shape charming tree branches. These festive Christmas tree treats are delightful crunch and rich flavor that makes them ideal for this season, making them a perfect addition to your Christmas parties. So let's begin. In a medium bowl, combine the flour, salt, and sugar, stirring with a fork. Grate the butter into the flour mixture and stir again with a fork until well mixed. Gradually add warm water in small portions, using the fork to combine the ingredients into a dough. Transfer the pastry dough onto a floured surface and knead it until thoroughly combined. Flour the working surface, place the dough on it, and gently pat it into a rough square. Dust the rolling pin with flour and roll out the dough in front of you, creating a rectangle approximately 10 inches long. Take the bottom third of the dough and fold it over the middle, then fold the upper third over the middle as well. Rotate the dough by a quarter turn and repeat this process. If the dough starts sticking, use additional flour as needed. Continue to roll out, fold, and turn the dough at least 6 or 7 times. Once completed, wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least an hour or overnight. When ready to use, roll out the chilled dough with flour as needed for your desired puff pastry. I have used a paste made of mixed fruits and nuts for the filling, but feel free to choose any filling you prefer. Begin by unrolling one sheet of puff pastry. Spread the chosen filling over the pastry sheet. Unroll the second puff pastry sheet and place it on top of the first one. Gently score 2 lines down the middle of the triangle to create a trunk approximately 3 centimeters wide. Use the trunk as a guide to cut branches into the sides of the triangle, each about 2 centimeters wide. Keep the top 5 centimeters untouched, as it will be covered with the pastry star. Starting from the top, twist each branch away from you, giving 2 turns to each branch for a decorative effect. Take a star-shaped cookie cutter and cut out a star from one corner of the layered pastry. Apply egg and place it on the top. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the pastry turns a golden brown. Once done, remove and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Brush the pastry with melted butter, then transfer it to a serving plate or bowl. Decorate as you desire. Dear friends, after creating this delightful puff pastry Christmas tree appetizer, I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment and share your rating, letting me know your thoughts on the recipe. Don't forget to tag me in your Facebook photos. Feel free to pin this recipe for future use. Thank you, friends, and happy baking to all.